Blockchain has been called the most disruptive technology in decades. It has the potential to completely change the ways money is transferred, how businesses maintain their everyday operations, and can also one day change the way we work. So, what is blockchain? Blockchain is a type of database. Think of it as a notebook. The pages represent the block, and the binding of the book are the hash codes binding them together. The blockchain is stored on a decentralized network, and every change to it must be authorized by more than half of the computers on the network, which eliminates the need for one controlling authority. A block contains three things: data, which can be anything from numbers to images, hash, and then hash of the previous block. Now, hash is a unique identifier of the block, like a fingerprint or DNA. It actually depends upon the data in the block and is calculated using cryptography. So when a hacker tries to change the data, it will cause a change in the hash of the block, and the next block will lose its link to the chain, breaking the entire thing. It is difficult to change the contents of a block after its creation without wrecking the entire blockchain. Let's see how a money transaction is recorded on a blockchain. A user requests to start a new transaction. Then the mining blocks create a new block with all the details of this transaction, including the hash of the previous block. Except when it's the Genesis block. Then there is no previous block. All the computers on the network are then notified about this new block, and then a majority of them, that is more than 50% of them, go on to validate this new block and this new transaction. After validation, the block is added to the chain and the transaction is then executed.